Hello, today we're going to be looking at how to analyse the results that we actually get from SurveyMonkey. So the first thing that we actually need to do is to log on to our survey account. We click on to My Surveys under surveymonkey.com and we can collect information. Now hopefully you'll have people directly inputting information anyway via the links that you've actually made. But if you actually want to input information yourself, what you do is you do collect responses and then manual data entry. And in best Blue Peter tradition, here's stuff that I've prepared earlier. And if we need to add a new response, all I do is go in and I get a form which is very similar to the form that you've printed out and may have distributed, or indeed the form that's actually on the internet itself, and you just insert information. So favourite style of music, let's say metal. Perhaps you downloaded or bought an album last month. You enjoy going out to the clubs in Weston. You downloaded it from the internet. Went to a gig or festival this year. You don't think that the charts are a good representation. You don't care about the lyrics. You listen to music on the radio occasionally. You don't like the variety of music that suits your taste. And let's suppose that you're 19 to 25 years old. And you just press done. And eventually it will come up. So we've now got a full list, and what we do is we click on the tab Analyze Results. Now as you can see here, it says that we can create a chart. If we do so, you'll notice there's a great big sample written all over it, so that's no good for what we need. So what we need to do is to create a chart using Word, which is what we'll be doing our reports in, and it links up to a chart which comes from Excel. So just open up Word, and this is some that I prepared earlier, but insert break, page break. So make sure your cursor is where you want to insert the chart, and literally you go insert chart, and it gives you the choice of which sort of chart you actually want. Now from my experience, I would say that for doing a survey, the easiest one to actually see and understand is actually a pie chart. So okay, I need to close off Excel. It doesn't like it because I had that open earlier. Not to worry. So going back, we just go insert chart, pie chart, and you will see it says first quarter 8.2. It's assuming it's going to be sales, but obviously that's not appropriate for us. So the first thing we actually need to do is if we make this smaller and we pick up our thing from the SurveyMonkey. Supposing we actually want to answer question 3, do you enjoy the music that's played in the clubs in Weston-super-Mare? Well, we've actually got 1, 2, 3, 4 answers here, and we've actually got 4 answers here, but if we had 5 answers we would just pick up, so we just get that highlight which is like a little square and just drag it down. In this case we just say enjoy clubs in Weston, question mark. And the first answer is yes, The second answer is no. The third answer is don't mind. And the fourth answer is don't go to clubs in Weston. Now, you may notice that that's too small now, so what we need to do is just go up there and just extend the column width so we get what we need. There we go. And just clicking in the responses, we've got 3 that said yes they do, 0 that says no they don't, 1 that says they don't mind, and 7 who say they don't go to clubs in Weston. And we can just delete on that. So having got that, you'll notice that the information has been transferred directly into the document, the Word document that we've set up. And you can click on there and change the way that it's shown if you so desire. Solid gradient weights arrows. I'm not going to do that. Oops. Because I think that's fine. It just gives you an idea of, and it just shows you value 7, 64% said that they don't go to clubs in Weston. And all you need to do is file save this one and file save that one, and you've got your information already. And that really is it. It's very simple to include it. There I actually did include the numbers that were included as well. You can do that just by add data labels, and it tells you how many people, and that's it. Okay, so that's it for now.